Hey guys, my name is Darcy and I'm an intern at Coral Restoration Foundation. Today I'm going to talk to you about coral anatomy. Now what is a coral, you might ask? Well, it's actually an animal, a plant, and a mineral. Pretty cool, right? Today we're going to build a coral polyp out of some fun ingredients. Let's get started. So what you'll need is icing, a marshmallow, a plate, pretzel sticks, and sprinkles. You can also use alternatives like peanut butter, chocolate, a piece of banana, or Twizzler sticks. Pretty much anything that you have in your house will work. The only requirement is that it has to be delicious. So first, we're going to start with our plate. This is going to represent a hard substrate for our coral polyp to land on. In the first stage of a coral polyp's life, it's a free-swimming larva, and then it will find a hard substrate to land and settle on, and it will stay there for the remainder of its life, making it a sessile animal. Next, we're going to bring in our marshmallow. And this is going to represent the mesoglea body of the polyp, which is basically a gelatinous material that is the soft body on the inside of the polyp. And now we need something to protect our soft body. So I'm going to cover my marshmallow with icing. And this icing is going to represent its exoskeleton, which is made of calcium carbonate. Our coral polyps excrete the calcium carbonate, and that's basically what forms the 3D structure of a coral reef. And now that we have this all covered, we're going to add tentacles. Coral are a part of the phylum Cnidaria, and all cnidarians have tentacles that have stinging cells on them so that they can capture and subdue their prey. So here we go, we have some nice tentacles. And now for our final step, we need to add zooxanthellae. I'm going to use sprinkles for this. Now this zooxanthellae are actually plant-like microalgae that live in and on the coral tissues. Now this zooxanthellae uses photosynthesis to provide food and energy for the coral, while the coral provides the zooxanthellae a home, making it a symbiotic relationship between them. And there you have it. I hope you learned about coral biology and had some fun while we were at it. For more information and videos, you can go to coralrestoration.org, and you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Coral Restoration Foundation. And don't forget, enjoy your snack.